Hey guys, this is Ruhi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. And today's recipe is instant Seviyan Rava Dosa with Kara Chutney. And this is very quick, easy and simple recipe which can be prepared in very less time. Friends, please do not skip the video and watch till end to get perfect dosa. Try this yummy recipe once and I am sure your kids and family will love this recipe. Let's quickly get into the recipe. For this, here I have taken 1 cup of Seviyan in a pan. Dry roast this for 2 to 3 minutes. If you are using roasted Seviyan, you can use directly. Now switch off the flame, transfer to a bowl and let it cool down completely. To this add half cup of suji, that is rava, half cup of rice flour, add half cup of sour curd, 1/4 cup chopped onions, 1/4 cup grated carrot, chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped green chilli, salt as per your taste. Ginger and green chilli you can add as per your taste. To this add 1.5 cup water. Now mix this well. Close the lid and rest this for 20 minutes. Until this rests for 20 minutes, let's prepare Kara Chutney. For this, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon urad dal. Fry this for a minute and add half cup of chopped onions. Add 3 to 4 red chilies and 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Saute this until these onions become transparent. To this add half cup of chopped tomatoes. To this add little tamarind and saute this until these tomatoes cook well. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Now transfer this in a mixture jar. Add salt as per your taste and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Grind this into fine paste. Now take out this mixture in a bowl. To temper the prepared chutney, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this add half a tablespoon mustard seeds, half a tablespoon urad dal, 1 or 2 red chilies and some curry leaves. Add this tempering to this chutney. And this Kara Chutney is ready to serve. Now let's see how our batter is. And this water is completely absorbed. Let's see how this Seviyan is soaked well. Seviyan is completely soaked and to this add 1 cup of water. It should be in pouring consistency. Now adjust the salt if needed. Add few drops of oil on tawa and wipe it with tissue. Now mix this batter properly and pour this batter on tawa. Now keep the flame in medium. Spread this dosa evenly. You can see here the top is slightly cooked. Now add little bit oil. Now flip this dosa to the other side. And that's it, yummy Seviyan dosa is ready to serve. Serve this yummy dosa with hot Kara Chutney. Repeat the same process for the other dosas. Each time when you pour dosa, you have to mix batter properly. Spread the batter evenly. When the top of the dosa is slightly cooked, then add oil on top of it. Now flip this dosa and cook on other side. Do try this simple recipe and post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. and share this recipe with your friends and family. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.